Dear students, myself Satish Goda, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sira. Today, in this session, I am going to continue with three different varieties of breeds of fowl. They are Sussex, Langshan and Giriraja. The topic belongs to Tumkur University, 3rd BSc, 6th semester Zoology, that is paper 7, Applied Zoology. Dear students, in the last session, we have studied important characteristic features of two different fowls, that is white leghorn and plymouth rock. In continuation of that topic, in this session I am going to study about important characteristic features of three more different varieties of fowl. They are Sussex, Langshan and Giriraja. We will see one by one in detail. Coming to the first one, that is Sussex. The diagram which you are seeing on the screen, this is a Sussex fowl. So it is a very attractive in color, Here you can see the prominent rose comb or red comb present on the dorsal side of the head, and very prominent wattles as well as the ear lobes, and plumage is very different colorful, and the body is huge and very broad. The legs are also pink or white in color. Here, coming to the important characteristic features of this Sussex. So this Sussex fowl basically originated in the historic country of Sussex in southeast England. Hence the name named it as Sussex, and it is an English class breed or British class breed. It is a dual purpose fowl. The Sussex as a Plymouth Rock, as like a Plymouth Rock, the Sussex is also a dual purpose fowl, reared both for the meat as well as egg production. So here the Sussex body is well built with a long and broad flat back and a long and straight breastbone, wide shoulders. Hence it is looking like a bodybuilder. Means it's a well built body. And the plumage color is very different. It is a speckled and possibly brown or reddish and white mix reddish in color. See, it's a speckled color. And the tail is held at the 45-degree angle from the body. See here, you can observe tail. So this is a tail. Is held 45 degree angle from the body. This is about the Sussex one. Sussex is English or a breed, English breed or British class breed, and it is a dual purpose fowl. It is used for the production of both meat as well as egg production, and which was originated in the historic country Sussex. Hence it is called as Sussex, which has plumage is very speckled in different color, and body is well built, and it is a very good dual purpose breed. This is about Sussex. Now coming to the next one, that is Langshan. So here you can see Langshan. It's a black colored one, and they will have feathers on the legs also. The fur, a fine fur is present on the legs, and the a dorsal side which forms a U-shaped structure. You just roughly U-shaped structure, and a short rose comb and a short earlobe as well as the battles, and also very strong beak. So this Langshan, coming to the important characteristic features of Langshan. So Langshan is Asiatic class fowl which is originated first in China, and it is popular breed in Australia and Germany. It means that it is originated first from the China and it is exported, means imported from the China to the different countries like Australia and Germany. So now it is a very good dual purpose fowl. Dual purpose fowl. Reared both for the purpose of meat as well as egg production. Hence it is a dual purpose fowl. It is a tall bird with a U-shaped body. You just assume U-shaped body. You just as I showed earlier, here you see U-shaped body. So body is U-shaped, and dorsal side also it forms a U shape, but total body is roughly U shape. See here, the tail is it is a tall bird with a U-shaped body with feathered legs. As I told earlier, the legs are covered with feathers or fur, fine fur or feathers, and a single comb which is very short, and earlobes and wattles are also very short. The plumage is always black in color. You can easily identify this is a Langshan because it is black in color. Even if the legs or limbs are also covered with the feathers. The cock weighs about 4.5 kg, whereas hen weighs about 3.5 kg. So here cock is always heavier than the hen, but hen lays nearly 200 to 220, approximately 220 eggs. The eggs are brown colored and cleidoic. So means they covered with a hard calcareous brown colored shell. It can thrive all types of climatic conditions. So this is also a breed which is very much adjust to all types of climatic conditions. All types of climatic conditions. Hence it is a very famous dual purpose breed. This is about Langshan. Now coming to the next one and the last example, that is Giriraja. I hope you are all very familiar with this Giriraja. This Giriraja is Asiatic fowl. It is developed by crossing exotic breeds with native fowls. So hence we are very familiar with this Giriraja. It is looking like a native fowls in our day-to-day life with our neighbors or in our territory or living areas. We might have observed these fowls. Okay, so hence it is looking like a native fowl because it is developed by crossing exotic breeds with the native fowls. Anyhow, this is Asiatic fowl, and this breed was developed by Dr. Rangappa and Dr. Lokanath. These two scientists from Agriculture University, Bangalore. These two scientists have bred and developed this variety, that is Giriraja, that is Asiatic fowl. Means they developed this variety in the Agricultural University, Bangalore itself. Hence it is very famous as a native fowl. And this is a dual purpose breed. This breed is reared for both for the meat and for the egg production. The average weight of the Giriraja breed varies from 3 to 5 kg. So not 3 kg, 4 kg, but it varies 3 to 5 kg average weight. And the meat is very soft and tasty. Meat of this variety is very tasty and soft. The Giriraja fowl is resistant to many diseases except for Ranicate. Except this Ranicate disease, it is a very good resistant to many diseases. This is about Giriraja fowl, which is also a dual purpose fowl. I hope you all understood well about 3 different fowls we have studied in this session, that is Sussex, Langshan and Giriraja. Just remember all the characteristic features of the respective breeds. And this is you just see here, this is Sussex one, and this is Langshan, and this is Giriraja. I hope all you are understood well about these 3 different kinds of fowls in this session. I'll stop here, my dear students. I will meet you in the next session. Till then stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much.